How to change and adjust the brightness of a video in CapCut Mobile free tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Select your video clip, as if it is highlighted, down and scroll to the right. You see the option is Adjust next to Reframe and Video Quality. Typically you want to scroll to the right and you see the option or the option Brightness next to Contrast and Color Correction. To the right, notice our video is getting brighter, and if you scroll to the left, our video is getting darker. Want to add a keyframe? Click the diamond icon, add a keyframe to our video timeline and click the check mark. And basically a bonus tip is if you want this to fade in, go and click and select add another keyframe and do the exact same thing. Adjust this, scroll to the right, and check mark to video clip brighter, or should I say this is what we have. Notice that the video is changing and adjusting the brightness in CapCut Mobile completely for free.